Hey cool! Today we learn about a really powerful word, P. P initiates what is called a genitive case. In English, P can be thought of as the word of. The word following P is a noun, which is related to the noun before the P. For example, moku is an edible or food-like house, and moku is the house of food, where food is a noun which means a restaurant, kitchen or any other food house. Another place P is useful is for regrouping modifiers. If you say moku pona mute, it means a lot of good food, since both pona and mute are modifying the noun moku. However, if you say moku pi pona mute, now pona is a noun meaning goodness, and mute modifies that instead of moku. This means food of a lot of goodness, or in other words, very good food. If you feel really fancy, you can also use NP. Moku pi tomo si pi pona mute means food of your very good house, since the second P phrase modifies the tomo. However, if you say moku pi tomo si en pi pona mute, it means food of your house and of a lot of goodness, meaning very good food of your house. Now try it out for yourself. What would this mean? Yan pi moku. It translates to person of food, which people usually understand as cook. Now try saying a big bird-like vehicle, like a plane. It would be ato waso suli. But what would ato pi waso suli mean? It would mean the big bird's vehicle. Lastly, I have a really complex expression for you. Tapa pi akesi tapa mute pi yan mani. This would mean the businessman's box of many box reptiles. Box reptiles would be tortoises, by the way. Try out more P sentences in the comments. Now, a mini chapter on taste and colors. You often have to express colors or taste in day-to-day life. Toki Ma has 7 colors: jelo, yellow, kapesi, brown-gray, laso, blue, loje, red, peta, green, pimeja, black, walo, white. And it has 6 tastes: kikolo, bitter, masala, spicy, tasty, nun, salty, suwi, sweet, umami, meatlike, wawasa, sour. Unsurprisingly, all of these words are modifiers. What would you call salt though? Exactly, it would be nun as a noun, or maybe woka nun. Wait, you don't know what woka means? Let's learn more vocabulary. Woka, powder, dust, sand. Kuwan, light. Pawita, pure, homogenous. Unja, mixed, impure, heterogenous. Tijelo, body, torso, physical stature. Oliwa, oil, fat, fuel, grease, olive. Nimi, name, word. Okay, that's already it. Till next time, militawa.